I really need some headshots for my portfolio. I have no good pictures of myself, and yes, I am making this a whole entire video because I am not photogenic. So last night I went on Pinterest, and I'll link this board in case you need some ideas for your stuff, because I didn't want like the typical headshot where I'm sitting on a stool, I'm in a blazer, and there's a white sheet of paper behind me. Not really about that. For headshots, I'm looking for something kind of creative, something that shows off my workspace a little bit. I also want to take some work photos, which I kind of named like work in progress. So it's me working at my desk, my work setup, and then some personality photos, which honestly, I'm leaning towards using personality photos in my portfolio, but I don't know. We'll decide what I'm using later. I'm just going to try to get a bunch of pictures. We're going to try standing in front of the desk first, and I'm going to be using Lens Buddy. There's a setting on here where you can have it give you compliments while taking the photos. Wait, I want to try that. Okay, we'll just leave it on default because I don't know what that is. I'm not hearing compliments.
You are a ray of sunshine.
Turn that off. Yeah, so I'm going to be taking it with my front camera, I think, just because that will be the easiest for me. And I'm going to be editing all of these, I think, to look like film. So it's a stylistic choice to make it look a little bit lower quality. Wait, this one might be cute. Okay, I like that you can see like the grids on here, and I'm on this line. Nice. I feel like those look really bad. I feel like I have to do that thing, you know, where people like fake laugh. Ah, 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 ah. Oh my gosh. Okay, I look pretty wonky in some of these fake laughing ones, but potential. I think there's potential for some of these. Also, I added a little bit of zoom, and that helped a lot, I think. I do think I'm going to be taking all of my photos horizontally, because vertically it's just, there's too much space. Everything I want to show is like right here. All right, I'm switching over to recording on my phone because it's time to do the top-down shots. I'm gonna do them on this camera. I forgot I was doing the second outfit. I have 30 minutes before I have to leave, and I would love to get this done before then. So I'm just gonna super duper quick run through some stuff. Okay, I got like a few others, but honestly, the sun has been coming in and out, which has made it a bit iffy. So I think this is a good place to stop, and hopefully some of those pictures turned out. The photos didn't turn out the best, but this isn't something I need to spend more time on. Something I've noticed about myself is that I get caught up in the little details of things. They need to be perfect. That's great for editing, not good for most other things. These pictures are good enough. I like them, they get the job done, and they're an improvement from what I had. At the end of the day, people aren't going to choose to work with me because my headshot is really good. Maybe one day I'll actually have like a professional shoot, but for now, these work just fine. My website is not made yet, so I can't show you what these look like in it, but I'm gonna be updating like profile pictures. My Google account that's linked to my YouTube, that profile picture is from like 5 or 6 years ago. Some of my accounts just don't have photos, and other ones, they're just, I mean, they're fine. They just kind of need to be updated. Also, if you're wondering how I edited these photos, I basically just turned the brightness down a little bit. I added a lot of green in the shadows. For most of them, I put like some red and yellow in the midtones and highlights, boosted the saturation a little bit, and then added a little bit of grain. That's all I did.